The reality on business is that people will judge you by your cover. If you're trying to generate business, you better have an appearance that looks professional, that inspires you and inspires them to get trust over you. So if I have a very small little room full of cables and the technology is not up to par and I'm out of date and I'm wearing this t-shirt and I'm scrappy and my beard is not trimmed and all these things going on, how could I go and look at a client in the face and listen and tell him, all right, I can help you. It's going to cost you $250,000 a year. So there are people in this world that have been able to get away with that. But the reality is that this whole statement of not judging a book by its cover, it's not applicable to the world of business and to the world of relationships. You got to make sure that you're always doing your best to look professional, and you got to make sure that you're always doing your best to communicate professionally. And you also got to make sure that you're always doing your best to keep your environment clean and organized and neat, ensuring that people don't have a wrong perception or a feeling of you and who you are. Wearing things like this, fancy watches, and having Mercedes G-Wagons and Porsches. In the end, these things are image, and they are investments in yourself. And people feel more comfortable doing business with people that are comfortable investing in themselves. That's just the way it is. When you take care of yourself, that will open up the doors to more business. Now, a lot of people want to do business with me because I'm owning it and I believe I deserve it. And I have come a long way to be able to get whatever I want and to make my environment look however I want it to look. And the better that I make it look, the more business I actually generate. This is a strategy for a long-term expansion of a person or a brand or an organization. People will judge you by the way that you look and by the way that things around you look. It is inevitable. By the way that your staff look, by the way that your family looks, people will judge you. So do your best to have the image, have the presence, look the part and play the part. And yes, you yourself, if you're judging somebody else, absolutely judge the book by its cover. You absolutely have a right to do so, because when you do so, you can connect with people that believe in themselves enough that they take care of themselves and their appearance, and you can actually have more probabilities of success of connecting with people that are going to help you collaborate and build more success for yourself. So this is something that is applicable on both sides. Judge a book by its cover and know that people will judge you by your cover. So that is a statement that has been said over the years that I believe is entirely false in the world of business and in the world of relationships. Hey, thanks for watching this video. To get more content and more value, check this one out. I know that I am not at the top yet. I know I'm humble enough to understand that I still got a long way to go. I need to keep myself getting better every single day, expanding every day, learning something new every day, because I still got a lot to go.